have not driven this car in quite some time. Look, I'm like everybody else with the stupid washer fluid or something on my dash, but it's actually their fault for not putting the fluid in. Remember, this whole thing was taken apart, this car. The nose is out. Right now I'm just doing a little test drive, very simple, very easy, because I want to check the trans. I think it still needs fluid, to be real with you, because you know, there's some left over, and of course you got to heat these things up a little bit, make sure. Yeah, it definitely, I can feel it. I haven't really stomped on it, especially when you change fluid. Oh my god, it's scary. And this car has 89,000 miles on it, but sometimes when you change the fluid, your tranny no longer works, blah blah blah. You know, the thing is too, no matter what the mechanic shop is or whatever, you need to test drive yourself. You need to make sure everything is good. I did the whole new front suspension is put on. I would say it feels a little off. Then again, you know what, I gotta check the tire pressure or whatever. I'm not sure if he did the wheel alignment. I forgot to ask, but I have to ask about that. But yet still, this car definitely needs to go back in for, oh, look at this, the Nestle plant. What a shame. This car actually needs to go back in and get the starter finished and the rest of the motor mounts. The front snub mount was done, stuff like that. Alternator was put in. And now I'm just kind of, you know, just seeing how things are going. I really do miss this car. This car rides so nice, too. It really runs good. Let's see. No hands. We got, what is that, FSD Tesla? I don't know if it's pulling to the right. There is a little bit of slope here, but kind of looks like, I don't know. I think it is pulling to the right just a little bit. Things like that really do bother me. The littlest things could drive me freaking crazy. Today's a really nice day too. What's the temp? 82. Whew. I miss my convertible. So I was having this conversation with him about, you know, basically, or his big thing is, you know, check your work. It's all over the shop. Yeah. It's actually worse now. Let me change in this radiator. I changed this one. This side never leaked, by the way. Never. Yeah. Now I got a slight drip, but this one's even worse. I mean, this little drip on this side, the after run radiator, was barely anything. It's kind of comical. Now it's even worse. I'm also starting to think, I wonder if it's the washer fluid, or maybe he didn't put back in the sensor, because, you know, when you take this apart, it probably did lose water. I got to see if you just fill it up, if that goes away, or else he didn't connect something. But yeah, you really have to make sure and do your due diligence. Oh, look at the way my car looks too, by the way. You have no idea how much this pains me to see my car looking this way. Ugh, I don't even want to show you. This is embarrassing. It really is. Look at that bird shit. He's like, oh, you want to go wash it? Yeah. For what? Look at my top. It's terrible. I feel so bad for this car. You have no idea. Ugh. It's like the shit I see on Marketplace. It really is. It's really bad. Yep, that's my life. In actuality, this car is really not that bad underneath when you really do look at it. Actually, you know, the most rust is on those shocks in the back, which I could easily change. Those are actually simple. Change those out in the A4. I would imagine this is the same. Of course, the exhaust I do want to change out. Got a little rust on there, surface rust. I'm going to take care of that. You know, most of it is all plastic paneling too. This should come down. This is shot. I had a feeling this flex pipe here. Hold on, sorry. I didn't realize how much I was zoomed in. Clean. Looking good. New parts. Looking good. Just needs a little cleaning there. Yeah. And, you know, the other thing is too, remember, I do have the full shield. And I actually have the shield for the tranny too here that I never put on. I bought even brand new. Those are actually available still. You know, remember, everything with, you have the new, like, 3D printers. You can make anything today, so it's pretty cool. I do want to throw an exhaust on here, and that would be really about it. You know, that's really all I could do for this car. And just make it, you know, very reliable S4. How's those guides?